Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a tool for simulating and executing phishing campaigns designed to test and promote security awareness. It helps organizations evaluate how susceptible they are to phishing attacks. Kingfisher can be used for anything from simple awareness training to a complex campaign that illustrates the dangers of credential harvesting. Its flexible architecture gives the user control over emails and the content on the server. Features: 1. Support for simultaneous phishing campaigns. 2. Landing page credential harvesting. 3. Web page cloning. 4. Integrated Sender Policy Framework (SPF) checks. 5. Emails with embedded images. 6. Two-factor authentication. Pricing: Kingfisher is free of charge and open source. Skipfish. Skipfish is a tool for web application security assessment. It helps conduct security reconnaissance by carrying out a recursive crawl and dictionary-based probes and creating an interactive map of the target website. The user initiates a skipfish scan by providing a target website through its command line interface. Features: 1. Modular design and customizable options. 2. Range requests, content compression, and keep alive connections. 3. Forced response size limiting. 4. Enumeration tracking. 5. Identifying potential vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting, XSS. Pricing: Skipfish is an open-source application, and it is free to use. Beef. Browser Exploitation Framework (BEEF) is a platform for testing security and assessing the vulnerability of web browsers. It identifies exploitable browser weaknesses and helps users to design adequate web application defenses. BEEF works by hooking a web browser and using it as a beachhead, i.e., an attack point, for executing directed command modules and other related attacks. This action enables the security expert to take limited control over the end-user browser tab and conduct a test attack. Features: 1. Targeting vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, XSS, and HTML injection. 2. Targeting browser-specific weaknesses with custom browser-based attacks. 3. The extension API and RESTful API. 4. Keystroke logging. 5. Browser proxying. 6. Metasploit integration. 7. Plugin detection. Pricing: BEEF is a free and open-source tool. Wireshark. Wireshark is a packet analyzing tool for network troubleshooting and analysis. The tool can capture and analyze network traffic in real time, or it can analyze previously captured packets. The analysis offers insights into network behavior and facilitates diagnostics and identification of potential security threats. The main Wireshark application is GUI-based. However, there is a command-line version called T-Shark. Features: 1. Real-time data capture. 2. Reading data from Ethernet, IEEE 802.11, PPP, and loopback networks. 3. Display filters. 4. Plugin support. 5. VoIP call detection. 6. Raw USB data capture. Pricing: Wireshark is free of charge and open source. Yersinia. Yersinia is a network protocol exploitation tool that simulates and tests attacks against network protocols. It performs Layer 2 attacks by spoofing a solid framework for the deployed networks and systems testing and analysis. Features: Yersinia supports attacking the following protocols. 1. Cisco Discovery Protocol, CDP. 2. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP. 3. 802.1q and 802.1x. 4. Dynamic Trunking Protocol, DTP. 5. Hot Standby Router Protocol, HSRP. 6. Interswitch Link Protocol, ISL. 7. VLAN Trunking Protocol, VTP. 8. Spanning Tree Protocol, STP. Pricing: Yersinia is a free of charge and open source tool. Maltego. Maltego is an intelligence and data visualization tool for gathering and analyzing data from different sources and uncovering relationships and patterns. It provides a library of transforms for data discovery and a graph-formatted visualization of the data, which can be used for data mining and link analysis. Features: 1. Simplified information gathering from dispersed data sources. 2. Up to 1 million entities viewable on the map. 3. Automatic linking and combining of map information. 4. Pattern recognition that includes block, hierarchical, circular, and organic layouts. Pricing: Maltego Community Edition is free of charge but requires registration. The paid options, Maltego Pro and Maltego Enterprise, provide additional features. This includes using the tool on multiple devices, deploying it in virtual machines, accessing additional transforms on Commercial Transform Hub, etc. APK Tool. APK Tool is an application that allows users to reverse engineer Android APK files. It disassembles resources and provides a way to make changes or analyze the disassembled application. Features: 1. Extracts resources, assets, and code. 2. Facilitates the examination of layouts, images, and XML files. 3. Recompiles the code back to APK. Pricing: APK Tool is open source and free to use. SQL Map. SQL Map is a utility for detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities in web apps and databases. The tool automates vulnerability detection and assists in database server takeovers. Features: 1. Automatic and manual SQL injection testing. 2. Support for a wide range of database management systems, DMS, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server, and many more. 3. Support for 6 SQL injection techniques: error-based, union query-based, Boolean-based blind, time-based blind, stacked queries, and out-of-band. 4. Automatic password hash format recognition. 5. Support for dumping database tables. Pricing: SQL Map is open source and free to use. DERB. DERB is a tool for brute forcing directories and files on web servers. DERB launches a dictionary-based attack against a specified web server and analyzes the response. Features: 1. Uncovers resources that are hidden or unprotected. 2. Supports multiple HTTP methods and scanning modes. 3. Customizable scanning process. 4. Pre-configured attack word lists. Pricing: DERB is an open-source tool that is free to use. Reaver. Reaver is a tool for exploiting Wi-Fi protected setup (WPS) weaknesses. It works by attempting to crack the WPS pin and access a Wi-Fi network without authorization, highlighting the weaknesses in the setup. Features: 1. Pre-configured attack word lists. 2. Custom word lists. Pricing: DERB is a free of charge open source application.